Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne 4th generation 2002 to 2010. If you're guys trying to connect your OBD scanner and you cannot connect it, stay with us. We will explain guys which fuse you need to check and all that stuff. Now we'll have more than 200 videos taking this car apart guys, so please subscribe. Our goal to save you as much money as we can. In return, please give a thumb up and subscribe to the channel. Now this is the Cayenne right here, and let me demonstrate what's happening now. Okay, you cannot connect OBD scanner for anything. Okay, so I'm inside the car now. I have the scanner here. Okay, check it out now. We'll plug it in. Okay, nothing. There is absolutely no communication. So which fuse guys is the one responsible for that? All the tools and parts used in the video, including replacement fuses, will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Now, we need to guys go ahead and get a plastic panel removal tool like this one here. Go on the side, pop that cap open, pull it out. On the back side, you'll find fuse numbers. Now we need to find fuse guys. Okay, number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That 5 amp fuse. Okay, this one right here. So we're going to grab it. Okay, now you can see guys, this is a burnt fuse. I'll get a replacement one. You can see where we get them for amazing price guys. What is happening now? Our scanner just turned on. So you can see that's the fuse guys responsible for that. Now also guys, okay, you need to check fuse number 39. Okay, fuse number 39 will be this. Okay, let me check again. This fuse right here. Okay, this is fuse number 39. It's the second one from right to left. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. Please guys hit that subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.